If you've recently seen ads for Reunoa Serum claiming it can reverse thin, fragile, aging skin in just a few days, you're probably wondering, is this product actually legit or is it another overhyped skincare trend? Let's break it down in a simple and honest way. Reunoa is marketed as a skincare serum designed for aging skin, especially for people dealing with purple bruising, thin, paper-like skin, and fragile capillaries. The company says the formula uses ingredients like Arnica, vitamin K, ceramides, and niacinamide to deeply hydrate the skin, reduce bruising, and even thicken thin skin. On paper, those ingredients do sound promising because some of them are commonly used in skincare products. But the real concern starts with how aggressively the product is advertised. One of the biggest red flags is the claim that the serum can visibly repair thin, aging skin and clear purple spots within just 7 days. That sounds impressive, but realistically, skin thinning and bruising caused by aging happen gradually over many years. These issues are linked to collagen loss, sun damage, medications, and natural aging. A moisturizer or serum may improve hydration and temporarily make skin appear smoother, but rebuilding thin skin structure in 1 week is highly unrealistic. The advertisement makes it sound almost like a medical treatment rather than a cosmetic skincare product. The ingredient claims are also heavily exaggerated. Arnica does have limited evidence for helping bruising, but the ad describes it as if it can rapidly flush trapped blood from under the skin. Vitamin K is promoted as rebuilding damaged capillaries, while ceramides are described almost like they physically thicken aging skin. In reality, these ingredients may help support the skin barrier and improve appearance, but there is very little strong scientific proof showing they can dramatically reverse fragile aging skin the way the advertisement suggests. And another issue is transparency. The website reportedly does not clearly show the full product label or back packaging. There's also no exact ingredient dosage listed, only that the bottle contains 30 milliliters of serum. That's important because without proper labeling, consumers can't fully verify what concentrations are actually being used. There are also concerns about the marketing visuals themselves. Many of the images on the website appear overly smooth, polished, and almost artificial. Some people believe the company may be using AI-generated images and digitally enhanced before and after photos. If true, that's a major concern because customers may think they're looking at real product photography or genuine user results when they're actually seeing computer-generated promotional content. And finally, the refund policy raises questions too. On the homepage, the company promises a 90-day money-back guarantee and even says customers don't need to return the empty bottle for a refund. But on the actual return policy page, it reportedly says the product must be unused, unopened, and returned in original packaging. Those two statements clearly don't match, which creates confusion about whether customers would actually receive refunds easily. So, is Reunoa Serum a complete scam? Not necessarily. It may work as a basic moisturizer or barrier support serum, but the marketing definitely raises serious concerns. The claims appear exaggerated, the visuals may be misleading, and the policies don't fully add up. So if you're thinking about buying it, it's best to stay cautious, do your own research, and avoid expecting miracle results.